winemaker of Chateau Beychevelle. We have our brand mate of the Quality de Bordeaux, Mr. David Ong. And we have a leading retailer in Singapore, Ms. Jenna Koh from Bottles and Bottles. Without further ado, Philippe, over to you.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you all for being here. Is it? Grace, can you hear something?
Yes.
Thank you. So thank you for being here. It's always a great pleasure to be in Singapore, where knowledge in wine is outstanding, where food is always very good. Sometimes it's raining a little bit, but except that, that's great. So I'm delighted to present these wines. It will be a little bit a kind of a game to figure out if they're all right or not. We changed a lot of things in Beychevelle in many years. I've been 2 decades of Beychevelle, not 5 decades. I'm 50 plus. But I've started in Beychevelle in 95, and so we'll see some of the wines we've done and some of the wines prior my coming. But I think we'll see evolution, and we maybe more than talking about the wine quality or not quality, I will maybe say a few words about the changes in viticulture, the changes in enology, which maybe explain the difference of the style of the wines. One word about the choices of the vintages, which was not that easy with 6 wines to pick. Of course, I wanted to show what we're doing today, so that's why I chose 14, which is the latest wine in bottle. 15 will be bottled in June, so couldn't really show anything younger. But we've been fairly fortunate in Bordeaux in the last 3 vintages. 14, 15, 16 came as a big improvement compared with previous vintages, especially 13. 13 was a drama for me. I was really shaken by that. So I just recovered from that now. But it was really a comeback, and it has been a long period of time since we had 3 vintages in a row of such a standard. And hopefully, I think really I can tell for everybody in Medoc and on Right Bank as well, a progression, an improvement with 14, 15, 16. So I can't tell that 17 will be even better. We'll do all we can. It's what I can tell. It's warmer so far, and it has been a very dry winter. So water supply will be tough in Bordeaux, but we'll see that later. So that's why I chose 14. Then yes, I chose 2 wines in the decades 2000 because it was too difficult not to pick these 2 wonderful vintages, 05 and 09. 010 would have been too close to 14, so I said I have to go away from that. So I chose 5 and 9. And then I went in the 90s. 90s was not that easy as a decade either. And I could have picked 5 or 6, but I chose 99, which is a medium vintage, but I like it. I think it's very approachable and very good drinking period for this wine. So I was happy to take it. Then we took 80s. 80s was a good decade with plenty of good wines. Could have taken 82, of course, but I said I want to try something else, so I chose 86, which was a very, for me, probably on the podium with 82, 86, 89, the 3 best of the 80s, followed by 85. That was at least 4 very good vintages in the 80s. And then 70 was even trickier because in the 70s it was harsh period. There were a lot of very not so graceful vintages, and everybody speaks about 75. My opinion for Beychevelle, 70 is the best, the 70s. But then I would have to take 75. But I think they named it great because the previous vintages have been so poor that they had to find something good. So they degraded it was great. Although it was maybe not that great. And to the standard of today, it wouldn't be great at all. But so, if we pick wine in the 70s, I repeat 70, 75, 76, 78. The rest is really good. And getting older is a little bit difficult because because it's a little bit tricky. One bottle to the other can be variable. There are some wonderful ones. We had recently some old vintages with visitors, 26, 17, 16. When I say 16, it's 19, 16. And that was very interesting. I was very, very impressed with 1926, for example. Somebody made a blog about 45, a dinner with 45 vintage, and Beychevelle performed very well. So the wines can age, and that's as well a way of showing the evolution, but showing the potential and showing that wines can be kept and have to be kept to be really appreciated. Mr. Moderator, do you want to say something? You want to add?